We're going to run the second part of the test in a 15 horsepower unit, and this is a high-speed unit, 3-knife rotor with a built-in blower system. So we're going to put your parts in there, and we'll see how she takes care of them as a machine. To start this up, you just press here, which makes sure safeties are good. And make sure your blower's on, which is right there. And there's your granulator. Ready to load it? No big amperage out of the machine, so it's handling it very well. Not putting a lot of pressure on the motors. We're coming to the end. That's all of it. So machine handle, no problem. See, your amperage isn't even going up. It's not really having a difficult time processing it. And here's your material. See the difference in the particle size? This is a 6mm screen, and it's done a great job in processing your material. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it run out. We'll bag it up, and I'm gonna give you a closer look at the material once it's all done. Here's your material. Again, this is from a C3060 high-speed machine. It has a 6mm screen in it. If you look at your material, it's great. The machine had no problem processing. You didn't see the amps jump up. You didn't see anything like that. It was a little bit louder simply because your material is so hard and bouncing around in there, but it wasn't affecting the power of the machine or the throughput of the machine. And this machine will do, you know, probably 500 pounds an hour of your material, which is the same as the shredder we showed you before. So it really depends on what you want your particle size to look at the end. And both of them ended up very nice. And so we're going to send you both samples back for your review.